The iCUE Nexus companion touchscreen puts the power of Corsair iCUE software at your fingertips, enabling control of your setup with a fully customizable interface. The iCUE Nexus includes 3 keyboard mounting brackets as well as a standalone base station. To mount iCUE Nexus to a compatible keyboard, grab the compatible mounting bracket that matches your keyboard's rear center panel, peel off the protective film, and attach it to the back of your keyboard. Slide the iCUE Nexus onto the bracket and connect the USB cable to your keyboard's pass-through port. Note that you should allow 24 hours for the adhesive to set and gently handle the iCUE Nexus until then. If you wish to use your iCUE Nexus as a standalone device on your desk, simply plug your Nexus into the included base and slide it into place. Having the latest version of Corsair iCUE installed on your system will ensure that your iCUE Nexus has access to the latest features that iCUE has to offer. To download Corsair iCUE, go to corsair.com/downloads and browse to the latest iCUE download available. The iCUE Nexus requires iCUE version 3.30 or newer. If you've already got Corsair iCUE installed, go to the Settings tab and click the button to check for updates. For more information about how to use your new iCUE Nexus, check out corsair.com/nexus-FAQ.